In this video, I'm going to show you how sometimes you can simplify complicated fractions. So given this complicated fraction here, what you do is you can factorize this top part and then factorize this bottom part, and then later later it will neatly cancel out. So for example, let's try and concentrate on factorizing this top part here. Your eyes should zoom into the 12 here. Two numbers multiplied together must be able to give you minus 12. And then when added together must give you a positive 1x. And well play around, and then it turns out that 3 and 2 you're going to need 4 and 3. So if you factorize it, it will become this. Hang on, the top part will become this. X, well, I need to be able to create one positive 1x, so I'm going to need a positive 4 and then x minus 3. Okay, and then but by the way, you should be able to factorize from here to here easily. If you can't, then you have to watch some of the earlier videos, but this quadratic here is actually quite easy to factorize, so you should be able to do this in your sleep. So from here down to here, you should be able to do this part in your sleep. Okay, now this part here you should be able to also do it in your sleep. So look, two numbers multiplied together must give you 20, positive 20, but when added together gives you positive 9. So you should be able to jump immediately to plus 5, and then x plus 4. Okay, you should be able to factorize from here to here easily. If you can't, then watch some of the early videos. Now it turns out that, you see here, this bubble here is exactly the same as this bubble here. So you can actually cancel this bit out. Well, you can actually divide top and bottom by x plus 4, and then divide bottom here by x plus 4. So in effect, you are really killing off the two bubbles here. They will kill off each other, leaving you x minus 3 and x plus 5. So you see this fraction here is a lot simpler than this one up here. Okay, because try to factorize, and then somehow we will neatly cancel each other out. For example, here's another example here. Remember, whenever you can square root something neatly. This you can square root neatly. Okay, and this you can also square root neatly. So whenever you have two parts that square root neatly, you can do this. X something like this: x plus a, and then x minus a. X minus a plus x minus a bracket, and then you've got x plus a. Whenever you can square root, whenever you can see that you can square root this neatly and square root this neatly, you can always jump to this. And again, I've done a video on this already, so you should be able to try to spot something like this. Oh, I can neatly square root this, which is, by the way, which is 2x, because when you get 2x times 2x, it gives you a neat 4x squared. And this here you can square root neatly, it will be 5. Well, anyway, hopefully you would notice that you can neatly square root this, you can neatly square root this. So bear that in mind, okay? So let's look at this here. So here you will have this x, and then you times here you've got a bubble here, and then you've got to times this bubble here. But the thing is, this bubble here, look, you can neatly square root this, you can neatly square root this. So I know I'm going to be able to do this. What is it? Plus 5, and then the same thing, but minus 5. Okay, I know I can do this because, so at the moment on the top you will have three parts multiplying each other like this. At the bottom, look at this. Hang on. At the bottom, it will be this bubble multiplying with this bubble here. Okay, and it turns out that this one conveniently cancels out with this one here. Okay, so these two, they will kill off each other. So now you will have this x inside a bubble, and then you've still got this one here, which is 2x minus 5. Okay, and then at the bottom you will have over x squared. X squared. Well, x squared, well, you could imagine, you don't need to do this, but you could imagine x squared to be like this, x times x, and then look, this one will cancel out with this one here. So in effect, all that you're left with is 2x minus 5 over x. Okay. Yeah. So given this here, hang on. Given this here, hopefully, well, it's quite hard to actually spot, but this one here, you can see you can neatly square root this, you can neatly square root this. So when you see this, immediately jump to this, x, and then here, well, x times 2, hang on, x times 2x plus 5, and then x, well, 2x minus 5. Okay, but yeah, actually we don't need this bit here. And then at the bottom here, you've got this here, 2x plus 5, and then you've got x squared here. Well, stick a bracket, yeah. So like this, and then you know this will cancel out with this, and then your next step would be x bracket 2x minus 5. And then here you've got x squared, and then from here, just know that you can just do this. Well, kill off, divide top and bottom by x. So you should be able to jump from, well, jump to here. What's this? 5. 5 here, and then this will be x. Okay. So this here is a simplified version of this thing here. Okay.